Okay guys, so right now at my house we are working on pushing my refrigerator out my back door because it ain't working at the front door. So we're gonna see how this goes down. Right now I'll show you the progress we have. Starting back lighting. Okay, good. In here we took the freezer door off so it fits, and now we're working on taking the refrigerator handles off. I have the freezer door. Oh wait! Is it sharp? Don't throw it at me. Let me see.
Tony on.
Don't push it out yet, please. Okay, wait 1 second, guys. He's about to push it out. I'll show you. So we just took out this handle. No, wait, not yet. Okay, ready? You're all set to go. Oh my God, it's about to fall. Daddy, have plenty of more space on this side. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh my God. It's out of the house. That was so scary. Let's see the aftermath. I want to see the aftermath. That was the aftermath. This is the aftermath. We have all this stuff. Over here, we have the freezer. Okay. We have the freezer door. As you can see, the freezer door is gone because we took it out to get it outside. And then we took the handle. Oh, it was and we took the handle off the fridge so it fits out the door. Oh. Oh, there's all white, yellow stuff all over the ground. It's like liquid. So we're putting this outside for now. Don't worry, we'll clean it tomorrow. We have to bring it to the junkyard. So we just have to move it in our yard for now. Someone could use this as a coffin. Wait, can I sit on this? Will it break? Hey, I'm sitting on a fridge. Can you ever say you sat on top of a fridge? No, you can't. Well, thanks for the short clip of watching my fridge getting pushed out of my house. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please come back, leave comments for more videos, and peace out, fam.